past few decades, revolutionary changes have been occurring in many fields of science and technology. The invention of portable and wearable electronic devices, the Internet of Bodies, etc., have transformed the entire world and affected nearly every human being. In line with the momentum of using technology to make the world a better place to live, Europe needs innovative products to enhance features in order to build a more productive, competitive, energy and resource-efficient economy. It means that European Union and particularly widening countries need high-impact innovation that can accelerate growth of the industrial production in multiple fields, enabling conditions for a new revolution in the next decade and beyond. Revolution of stretchable and textile electronics. The leading idea of the STRENTX project is to create a hub of excellence in the field of stretchable and textile electronics at the Faculty of Technical Sciences, University of Novi Sad, FTS UNS, Serbia, to advance state-of-the-art research, technological innovations, and contributions to broader social goals continuously.
My name is Goran Stojanovic and I'm a full professor at the Faculty of Technical Sciences of the University of Novi Sad in Serbia. Currently, I'm the coordinator of the STRENTX project, funded by the European Commission within the Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Program and set in the framework of the ERA Chairs Action. The main idea of the STRENTX project is to create a center of gravity here in Novi Sad for cutting-edge research in the field of stretchable and textile electronics. In order to reach a peak of real excellence in this scientific domain, we have established an international and multidisciplinary team led by our ERA chair holder. We have also created a well-equipped laboratory to support the transfer of our innovative ideas into application-oriented prototypes and products for the benefits of our society.
In the framework of the STRENTX project, we established a modern laboratory and employed an ERA chairholder, Professor Varun Jyoti, who is the team leader.
Hi, I'm Professor Varun Jyoti, an Indian national with considerable R&D experience, of which last 25 years, before I joined University of Novi Sad, had been in Malaysia. I'm the ERA chair of the STRENTX ERA chair program. Our project mandate, and so my role in it, is to help grow the coordinating institution to become an internationally recognized center of excellence in the field of stretchable and textile electronics. Human health monitoring is one of the main applications we are targeting. Our team of researchers is making steady progress towards proof of concept of various novel ideas like textile-based humidity sensors, RF harvesting, in situ parameter extraction of sensors, as well as wired and wireless readouts.
In addition, we employed ERA Chair STRENTX team members, namely 3 postdocs and 4 PhD students, so we can create a cutting-edge, dynamic and sustainable research ecosystem in the field of stretchable and textile electronics.
My name is Adnan. I'm originally from Ethiopia and I'm working on the STRENTX project as an early stage or PhD researcher. Having completed a bachelor's degree in textiles and a master's in electrical engineering, my research work involves e-textiles and wearables. My major result so far is a fully textile antenna designed for RF harvesting and a short-range communication system. And currently I'm working on the detection of drugs and drinks using a textile-based wearable device.
I'm Saima Qureshi from Pakistan. I'm a postdoctoral researcher on the STRENTX project. My research is focused on sensors for fluid detection, and currently I'm working on the application of these sensors in smart bandages. These sensors are textile-based and fabricated using an embroidery technique. The purpose of smart bandage is to monitor the wounds through continuous measurement of wounds exudate or accidental wetting through perspiration or water. In all cases, the bandages will need to be replaced. The incorporation of a moisture sensor in the bandages will be very useful in recognizing small volumes of biofluid or ordinary water.
Hello, my name is Adrian Stavrakis and I'm a PhD researcher within the STRENTX project. Originally, I come from Greece, where I had my bachelor's in electronics engineering, followed by master's in the UK, France and Norway in the fields of smart system integration and smart telecom and sensing networks. Here, I am working in the domain of flexible and textile electronics, and in particular, so far I have carried out extensive characterization work on our main material, silver-coated conductive threads, which was not previously reported. Additionally, along with my teammates, we have created face masks that can detect pulmonary capacity and have the potential to sense other analytes as well. For example, they could be used for virus detection. I have also worked on creating sensors out of unconventional materials, such as dental floss. Being here has been a great opportunity to work within a multinational and multidisciplinary team and to be exposed to different mindsets and approaches.
My name is Mitar Simic and I am from Bosnia and Herzegovina. I am a postdoctoral researcher within the STRENTX project. I have a PhD degree in electrical and computer engineering. My fields of expertise are instrumentation and measurements. My role in the STRENTX team is to provide sensor readout with reliable techniques for data acquisition and signal processing. As a few examples, I can say that I realized a readout system for respiration monitoring sensors embroidered to the face masks, as well as portable handheld device for interface with textile LC sensors, and control and monitoring unit for face masks and textile patches with heating elements. In addition to that, I also was a coordinator of the STRENTX team participation in the 2 international fairs of electronics in Belgrade in Serbia and in Nuremberg, Germany in 2022. Moreover, I actively write a new project proposals and mentor my younger colleagues.
Hello, my name is Ankita Sinha and I belong to India. Currently, I'm working as a postdoctoral researcher within STRENTX project, which is based on developing stretchable sensors for real-time applications. I have research experience and education in analytical chemistry. My research work within this project is focused on development of portable and flexible point-of-care devices and novel chemical sensing platforms. For example, fabrication of cutting-edge nanomaterials-based flexible electrochemical sensors and biosensors, which are based on 3 electrodes and 2 electrodes configurations. Together with STRENTX team, I'm involved in developing single-use face mask sensor for humidity monitoring in real conditions, such as moisture detection around our nose and mouth. Further, we are planning to extend the application of this face mask sensor for detecting various breath biomarkers and volatile organic compounds. Moreover, I'm fabricating modified paper and screen-printed electrodes for point-of-need applications such as healthcare monitoring, environmental protection, agriculture modifications, and food safety applications. Additionally, I'm developing myself to grow as an independent researcher within STRENTX, which is indeed an excellent international platform to help young minds to create and implement their own ideas through extensive research and development, scientific writings, and social media.
My name is Hima and I'm from Pakistan. I work as a PhD research fellow with the STRENTX team. I am working on health monitoring system, especially non-invasive continuous glucose monitoring, utilizing sweat sensors based on several techniques with a focus on devices that might possibly be combined into a wearable platform. I am designing a textile-based platform for sweat analysis in which the pattern is initially stitched using an embroidery machine. Later, the design is tested and evaluated. Later, I will characterize the design and insert it into my system or setup that can detect the analyte. In the future, the goal is to create non-invasive technologies for detecting glucose in the blood. The STRENTX lab allows me to investigate several options for carrying out my research while also offering all the necessary facilities. I am included in many disseminations and promotional activities within the project, and I have opportunity to meet many colleagues from abroad.
During the first half of the STRENTX project, we have reached the following indicators. We have published 15 journal papers and 5 conference papers. We have organized 1 workshop, 1 webinar, and 1 summer school. We have presented our demonstrators on 2 fairs. We have submitted 2 patent applications, and we have had 6 TV appearances and 6 articles in daily newspapers. Looking forward, STRENTX team has a bright and promising future. Thanks to the research in the domain of stretchable and textile electronics and achievements of the STRENTX team, our long-term vision is to transform wearable and textile industry in Serbia and Europe into a dynamic, knowledge-driven, competitive and sustainable sector based on innovations in electronics and materials embedded into textile.